Hello YouTube. I think that's the first time I've spoken today. Just clearing out the larynx. It's got a bit later in the afternoon, so I've had to throw a bit of lighting. I've turned the fluoros on in the chapel and I've got a nice little light over above us here. Just having a look at where we're at. This is the mess that I left you with on the last video. So let's start to eliminate a few components and clear things up a little bit, do a bit of housekeeping. Now, here's the dog. He's now got 2 tennis balls as backup. Housekeeping. Okay, a couple of things that I missed or misinterpreted on the last video, so I want to clear those up straight away. Firstly, your RAM slots. I incorrectly labelled them as A1, A2, A3, A4, but they are in fact A1, A2, B1 and B2, and the idea is that you put the RAM sticks into, if you're only using 2, into separate channels, and that allows for the 2-channel memory, DDR4. Got me? Okay, so that was a mistake. I mislabeled a few of the components on the outputs here, especially the graphics ones. I got them wrong, and if you're interested in this motherboard, which is a nice board, look it up. You'll be able to see what they are and what they do. While we're on the subject of the motherboard, I'll just get the case. This is the box that this motherboard came in, and I noticed when I first took it out that it just opened straight up. There was no seal, no tape, nothing, just like you could just go like that and get into it. And then once you got inside, the motherboard was on this anti-static bag, but the bag at the open end had no seal on it and no tape, nothing. So the opportunity for tampering direct from the manufacturer is a little bit scary, and I'd like to know why they do that. They must have a very good reason, and likes, dislikes, comments all down below here. If you've got a comment on that or know or can understand why you would leave packaging so open during shipment to tampering, I don't get it. But anyhow, we have what we have. And the other box was this one that my cooling system came in for the CPU. If you remember, I was like trying to get in here and trying to get in here and everything. That in the end it was so simple. It was just around the side here and opened up and you're in. So, you know, maybe getting a little bit frantic, maybe getting a little bit off my game there, trying to open the thing. But anyhow, what we ended up with was all of this shit, and I'm going to go into the H60 from Corsair Hydro series cooling system, and talk a little bit about that. Where we're actually going today with our system is to get the case up on the bench and actually get this motherboard inside the case. If we can get that far, then I'll be really happy, and I'll probably close off and then do another video later. But as far as the hydro system, and I've been through and I've opened the box and I've opened the components and just trying to get my head around what to do and what's there. And so I've got all the components here. Let's get rid of some tennis balls. That's one. And see, look, I've got SATA cables sitting on here and I'm not even up to that yet. They can go away. Just take stuff away. Clean yourself up as you go. Don't leave shit lying around. Look, I've got a couple of components here that I'm not using yet. One is a case fan, an old one, a good one, but an old one. This looks like a DVD drive, probably a bit more than that, but anyhow, that's going to go somewhere. So let's get rid of those. Just try and clean as you go, hey? Just get yourself sorted. Kero Zero, Plains Chapel, Eastern Downs, Southeast Queensland, Australia. I'll just go away for a while. That was a quickie, just you know, like just unclutter and clear your mind and get your shit together. It's all good. So I'll see you next video. Just a little bit on housekeeping there, and it's late at night. All the lights are out, everything's dark, and still the dog keeps bringing me tennis balls. You get that? You need company. I'll see you on the flip side with the continuing build of this computer. I'm enjoying it, it's good, but it's taken a while. So I just go bit by bit, day by day. Thanks folks, Kero here, my beautiful chapel, lovely spot, all of that, lots of shit going on, stuff. It's all good. I'll show you this at one stage, which is my Marshall gear. Look forward to that. And there's a Yamaha digital thing in there, and there's, look, it's hidden behind paperwork as a power amp. I'll go around, I've got a couple of things here as well. Boxes, bits and pieces, a lovely little lamp. For my sound, a lovely little dog, little boy baby, where are you? He's somewhere, he's gone. Hey boy, there he is. So on that I'll say goodbye, see you on the next video, thanks for your time, goodbye.